Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you some important gunshot questions from Unit 3, Unit 4 and also Unit 5. From these three units I'm going to tell you some important questions, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. From Unit 3, the most gunshot, not important, but gunshot question is from mathematical induction. If you learn mathematical induction, it will be easy to score 15 marks from the third unit itself. It is very easy to score 15 marks from the third unit if you learn mathematical induction. They may most probably and most repeated question is of the form. They may give some notation, and they may ask you to divide like this. For example, here they have asked that in the previous question paper, they have asked that 6 power n plus 2 plus 7 power 2 n plus 1 is divisible by 43 for each positive integer n. We have to prove this by using the mathematical induction. So only concentrate on the mathematical induction topic from the third unit, it will be better. And from the fourth unit we have a recurrence relation. A gunshot question from the recurrence relation. They ask from the recurrence relation. They may ask in the two types: solving the recurrence relation by using substitution method and also generating function method. Okay, substitution method and generating function method. In some certain circumstances, they ask they will give some recurrence relation and solve those recurrence relation by using the substitution method. Or in some circumstances, they may ask to solve by using the generating function method. But in some cases, they only ask solve recurrence relation itself. In this case, when they ask only solve the recurrence equation, in this case you need to solve either by using the substitution method, either by using the generating function method. The choice is yours. You may use any method to solve the given recurrence relation. And I'm repeating you again, it is a gunshot question from the fourth unit. Okay, and fourth unit. And also look at for second order linear homogeneous recurrence relation and second order linear non-homogeneous also. They also may ask non-homogeneous also. We have to know non-homogeneous. Just look at these topics, but the gunshot question is from recurrence relation. Don't forget to learn the formulas for this recurrence relation. We have some formulas now. By applying those formulas, you can solve the recurrence relation problems. And second question from the fourth unit, we can mostly expect from Bayes theorem. They may ask to prove the Bayes theorem, or they may give you one problem from the based on the Bayes theorem. They may give you one problem and you have to solve the problem using Bayes theorem. Okay, there are two chances. They may ask the theorem, but be perfect from this topic. Okay, Bayes theorem is a gunshot question. Okay, and this is about fourth unit. Okay, if you need, you can take screenshot. Okay, and now unit 5. From unit 5, the mostly expected and repeated question is Euler's formula theorem. Euler formula theorem. They may ask theorem to prove the theorem, or they may ask some problems based upon this Euler's formula. Okay, and the second question, second expected topic is Hamiltonian graph, but Euler formula is most important. Almost all are important. Okay, and Hamiltonian graph is also important. Look at that topic. And spanning tree is very important you need to learn very perfectly the spanning tree. And next one is graph coloring also. Graph coloring, what is graph coloring? In simple terms, no two adjacent nodes have same color. Okay, this is called as graph coloring. For example, let us take this. This is a tree. For example, this is one node. For this node, this is the adjacent node, or for this node, this is the adjacent node. Let us take two colors. What are those colors? Red and green. Okay. Here we have placed red. So here it should not be red because no two nodes which are adjacent have the same color. Okay. Here red means here we need to place green. So here also. Here it is adjacent of this, so it will be green. Okay, have you understood? This is called the graph coloring. And minimum spanning tree also important. Just look at the topic once, refer the topic, and try to learn some definitions. In 5th unit, we have some definitions. So learn the definitions perfectly. So discrete mathematics mainly important definitions are important. So try to learn all the definitions from the 5th unit. Okay, thank you guys. If you have any doubts regarding these, if you need any explanation regarding these questions, just let me know in the comment section so that I will try to make the video. And all the best for your examination. Study well. Thank you.